welcome on our channel on the Double Games. Today we are going to do step 2, is the white cross. Always remember to have your daisy ready. For the white cross you need to have a two-liner. So you move this down. See, it has a two-liner, the green has a two-liner, the red has a two-liner, and the blue has a two-liner. We're going to do this several times because there's a lot of ways how to do this. That was the original way, and now we are doing the next way. First, always remember to mix the cube up like you scramble it. And now let's go. Red is here. Blue puts out the fire, so fire goes over here. But it's the wrong way, so you turn this around. Here. Blue puts out the fire. Fire burns the grass. And the flower presumes the grass. Now we have all of these steps, and now we just turn it around. And this is the second step of the white cross done. Let's do it the last way. Like scramble it up as hard as you can, and let's go. So the first step is you get the blue one. The blue one is right here. It's at his home, so you move it here. Red is at his home, but green is facing the wrong way of his home. So what do? We turn this to the right, pick this down, turn it around, and turn this to the left and pick it back up. And it didn't mix any of our F2Ls. And the last F2Ls is orange. It's easy. You do the same thing. Turn this to the right, turn this down, turn it to the left, turn it to the left, and now you pick this up.